I got a bit of issue in my Evolution 12-inch disc cutter. During work that happened. Them little bolts got undone. You can see how much it got undone there. And you can hear it. Gears started slipping because you got a shaft there with one gear, and then on this spindle you got another gear, and by undoing them, or undoing itself, it separated and started slipping. Now I hope it didn't worn out too much or didn't break, so I'm going to try to take it apart, check it, grease it up and retighten it, and let's see if it's going to help. Otherwise I might need to replace this gear assembly here. Hopefully not. Hopefully we'll be fine. So first thing first, it will be just like a changing a blade. I need to get a blade off. That's M16. Let's see if there's a button there to lock the blade. See if that's going to work. Yep, it does. Right, okay. So it's righty loosey and lefty tighty on this one, or left hand side thread. This blade has seen better days, might change a blade as well. I never taken it this far apart, so that's 17, must be 18. Let's see if that's gonna do something. I don't know if this is supposed to do or not. I can see right, this disc, it's got hexagonal hole and slips over that, so I need to punch this disc out. Yeah, it's going loose. Right, we've got 3 Phillips screws. You can see the hole in that, it's a hexagonal hole. So let's get these screws off. Don't lose washers, the little washers there as well. Right, there is like a rubber grommet there, and then I believe this. Aha! Could undo that nut. Nut and gun, and this disc has fallen out as well. Right, Now we got clear run to this. Just take it apart first. Before tightening. Might be this one. Just that. I can't see. 4. This one is 4mm. So each bolt's got a little washer. Right, got it apart. It was like that, and then just undo the screws, just like that. Now these gears look worn out, but they're all there. And these gears here, you can see them two snapped, and that one is snapped. So I got 3 gears snapped, and also this nut here that holds the gears, it's got loose. So what I'm gonna do is, we've got one screw missing from there. See there? There's one screw missing. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna tighten this up, pack some more grease in and put it together. It might be alright for a while. I just hope it's all gonna be good. So I'm just gonna pack it in, pack loads of grease in. Enough. I think that is gonna be enough. Engaged and it's not slipping. That's good. That's good. Good sign. Good sign. The only issue with these screws, these little bolts, they're only threaded into aluminium. So you should not over tighten them because you can strip the thread. And I just don't want to put any Loctite on, just in case if I have to open it up again to replace the cogs. So it's catch-22. I just have to keep it on eye when I'm using it. They become slacky, any of them screws. strip it and tighten it. So now put our adjusting bolt. Now we got this flange. There with 3 little Phillips screws. I think I might have lost a section of the one clip of the video from dismantling, so it is basically opposite to this. And this is the last one. Now we got this little rubber flange that will go on. And we got this disc with hexagonal hole. Make sure that around protruding section it's sticking up. That's what the blade goes around that. Now we're going to put a blade, but put new one on. New blade. Now blades are directional. There's arrow there pointing that way, so I'll need to flip it. So don't go by instinct and put lettering face up. Lettering doesn't mean anything. You watch the direction of the arrow. So that one spins that way, so this goes this way. Make sure it sits on properly. Put the flange back on, and now bolt. Left hand side, left hand thread. That's about it. All I have to do now is put this guard adjusting nut back on. Actually, that sounds all right. Sounds normal. I'm going to do a quick test on it. Just going to run extension lead. So.
It works.